بسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, everybody. So in the previous session, we've done about Mubtada and Khabar. So before we embark into the next level in understanding different types of Mubtada and different types of Khabar, so it's very important to introduce you to the practice of using pronouns. So in this session, inshallah, we'll be learning about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns in Arabic, they're called as dama'ir. Dama'ir means plural, pronouns. So what is a singular called? Singular is called damir. It's not zamir, it's damir, dad. So I just practice a little bit pronunciation, damir. So we'll be using this word a lot. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which substitutes a proper noun. What does it mean? So we know what proper nouns are, like name, place, animal, thing, adjective, whatever. So everything comes as a proper noun. So in a sentence, if you want to use it instead of a name, if you want to use another word, so that substitute is called a proper noun. Let me give you an example for a clear understanding. If I say here, like Muhammad is intelligent, Muhammad is tall, Muhammad went to school, Muhammad came back, it's too much of repetition here. So what we want to do is we want to make our life simple and easy to communicate. So we send this away and we bring a new sentence. What we say is Muhammad is intelligent, he is tall, he went to school and he came back. So the word he is called a pronoun. So this is called as damir. So we use this word damir. So we get used to these words. In Arabic, these damir or pronouns, there are two types of pronouns. One which is attached to a word, which we'll be learning later on, and the other pronouns which are detached, which are on their own, like he, she. These are all detached pronouns. So we're going to learn in Arabic what are these detached pronouns. Detached pronouns in Arabic is called as damirun munfasilun. Munfasilun means it's detached. It is written separately. It is not attached to any word. So these damirun munfasilun, we need to know that they always come as a mubtada in a sentence. When you see a separate damir, it is a mubtada and they are always marfu. So when you see a damir munfasilun, it is a mubtada and it is marfu. We need to remember. So when do we use pronouns? The pronouns we use when we are talking about third person. So when we want to talk about, when we are talking in front of somebody and we're using someone else's name, so we use a third person pronoun, and that is called as al-ghaib. So when the person is not in front of you. So how do we use in English? We use he, she. So we say he is good, she came yesterday and they are going somewhere. So we're talking to someone, but with the person whom we're talking is not in front of you. It's called al-ghaib. So we use pronouns when you're talking to someone, when you say like you. So it's that pronouns when you use in front of a person, it's called al-mukhatib. Mukhatib. And we have got personal pronouns where first person is like we talk about myself, I, or we. It's called mutakallim. So we got al-ghaib, the third person, al-mukhatib, second person who is in front of you, and about ourselves is mutakallim. So in Arabic, like in English, we got different pronouns for a male and female. Like he and she, we got different pronouns. So we know when we use he, it means male. When we use she, we mean female. Same thing in Arabic, we got damir for males and damir for females. But there's a slight difference in Arabic. Arabic is a very particular, a very specific language. So we got damir in all the categories. For example, we got damir in al-ghaib, like he and she. We got a male pronoun and a female pronoun. But in English, when we talk to somebody, we always use you. Whether it is male or female, we just say you. But in Arabic, it is slightly different. For male, we use a different type of you, and for a female, we use a different type of you, which we'll learn in a minute, inshallah. And these male and female pronouns, we only use in second and third person. When we are talking about ourselves, whether it is a male or female, when we say I, in Arabic, even the male uses the same pronoun for I, and even the female. There is no different pronoun for a first person when we're talking about ourselves. But when we're talking about a third person or a second person, we use different pronouns. Inshallah, we'll be learning soon. So damir munfasil, the detached pronouns, we know that they are in third person, which is called al-ghaib, and your second person al-mukhatib, and both these two set of pronouns can be or masculine, which is muzakkar, and they can be muannath. Muannath is feminine. So, and mutakallim is on its own. It's only one set of pronouns for both male and female. Let's do some practice, inshallah. So let's start with muzakkar al-ghaib, masculine third person for the males. Huwa means he. Huma means they both. So in Arabic, let me just tell you, the numbers, we say plural. In English, it begins with more than one, but in Arabic, the plural means it's more than two. So we got something called for a one person or one object, and if it is two objects or two persons, we have a specific pronouns or specific indications for two, and more than two is plural. So we got huwa for one, huma for two, and hum for more than two. It's all of them. So we got huwa, huma, hum. Huwa is he, huma is they both, and hum is all of them. And muannath al-ghaib, the third person when you're using feminine. We got hiya means she, huma is they both feminine, and hunna means all of those females feminine. And we got mukhatib, when we talk to someone in front of you, we use anta means you, antuma means you both, and antum means all of you. And for feminine, muannath al-mukhatib, we use anti for you female in front of you, antuma for you both females, and antunna all of you females. And when we talk about ourselves, mutakallim, we say ana, and for we say nahnu. So let's practice again. So if you want to see here, say al-ghaib, muzakkar, say huwa, the single man, third person, huma, both, hum, all of them. Here is feminine, she, huma, they both females, hunna, all of them females. Anta, you male, antuma, you two males, antum, all of you men. Anti, you female, antuma, you two females, antunna, all of you females. Ana means I, nahnu means we. So you've got to practice and memorize this a lot. Let's do some practice, inshallah. If you use our fingers, palm of your hand, and use the fingers to say these pronouns, it will be easy for us to memorize. So if you use these two fingers for third person, this for male and female, and these two for second person, male and female, and the thumb for mutakallim. So we've got 3, 3, 3, 3, but 12 plus 2, we've got 14 pronouns altogether. Okay, let's start with the first. third person. Say huwa, huma, hum, hiya, hiya, huma, hunna. And the third finger we got anta, antuma, antum. The fourth finger anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, fifth finger ana, nahnu. So let's do it again. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. There's a small mistake here, there's no alif, it's antunna. Ana, nahnu. Do it again, inshallah. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Let's do it again one more time, final time. So to practice a lot. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. So this is our sessions just to practice these pronouns, and we'll be sending some videos for you to help to practice inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.